video we will introduce side emitting LED strip, colour temperature adjustable LED strip and RGBW LED strip. First, let's look at some of our side emitting LED strip. We are using the blue version in this video, which is part number 1MFL side B2. The strip can be cut and connected in exactly the same way as we showed you in our video on cutting, connecting and powering strip, and the brightness can be adjusted as demonstrated in our video on dimming and controlling strip. Here you can see the side emitting LED strip being controlled using our smartphone and tablet controller, part number RGB Wi-Fi 2. The difference with this side emitting strip is, as the name suggests, the light is emitted from the side of the LED chip instead of straight out. This means that when the strip is stuck down, the light is projected out at 90 degrees, very useful in certain applications. We stock side emitting LED strip in warm white, cool white, red and blue colour output options. Next, let's look at our colour temperature adjustable LED strip. This strip has a mixture of both cool white and warm white LED chips mounted to the PCB, which enables you to change the warmth of the light it gives off. Here we've connected some of our 5MFL 600 SMD hybrid strip to our smartphone and tablet controller. You can see as we move our finger around the colour wheel, the light the strip emits changes using either all the warm white LEDs, all the cool white LEDs or a mixture of both. The brightness can be adjusted and the strip can be turned on and off also using this little device. Let's move on and look at RGBW LED strip. This strip is much the same as RGB strip, but it has a dedicated white LED chip added. One of the drawbacks of standard RGB tape is it does not provide a very good quality white light. RGB provides white light by powering the red, blue and green LEDs all at once, but the white given off is usually tinted slightly blue or slightly pink. By adding the white LED chip, RGBW strip overcomes this problem, providing a pure white light output of much better quality. RGBW LED strip also offers a much wider colour palette than standard RGB strip. The white LED chip on our RGBW strip can be either warm white or cool white. The RGB strip we demonstrate here is our 5MFL 300 SMD RGBW using a cool white chip in addition to the RGB. We control it using our Wi-Fi 104 controller, suitable for use with your iPhone or Android smartphone.